Here is an example of what happens when you are not taking good care of your stamper head. And so we wanted to cover this in our part 2 on stamper care. So you don't need to this, if your stamper looks like this when you're pressing down and you're seeing it pop up on the other side, that's way too much pressure. That will cause you to break the stamper. Especially if you're doing it repeatedly over and over and over again, you know that's a lot of pressure. And you're not trying to Hulk smash this thing. It's a very, very gentle and quick process. So I highly recommend that if you are using your stamper, to just lightly press it down. It really doesn't need much pressure. And like we said, you do not need a lot of force for this. You really just need to gently press it inside. We don't want to put our stampers through trauma. We want to treat it with lots of love and care.